This is a video for the Flat Earth community. I'm just going to show you that this property, this house, is going to reveal to you, without any fancy equipment, the shape of the Earth. Before we go there, this house is built completely north. Look at the shadow. It's now just off 12 o'clock. The tree shadow is behind it. There's a tree way down behind the house there, and I want to walk to the other side of the house. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly put on Google Maps so that you can see my location in real time. And then I'm going to show you a gallery of what the sun is doing. See the tree there in the back? Just notice the top of the tree. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, let's quickly go to Google Maps. Okay, this is where I am. Okay, slightly off. Google Maps got a way of, there it moves around, there it goes and sits. Okay, good. That's the house. Okay, these photos are being taken in the winter. Look at the shadows. The shadows are coming from the north, like I should. Okay, the winter, the sun's got to come from the north. The shadows got to show to the south. Let's move in so you can see where's my location. Okay, there's Johannesburg, South Africa, Pretoria. I'm south of that. Oh, let me just go back. Very important thing that you must see. Look at arrow. Okay, the Google arrow, the north arrow, and the house. This house is true north. Then Google, that must be magnetic north or GPS north, slightly off. If we go in, okay, now you can see South Africa. Okay, there's the South Pole. We are way south. Okay, and now I want to go into the house and explain to you what the sun is doing. Okay, so there should be no doubt of what's happening in the south. That's the gallery, screenshots. There's another evidence of my position. I'm sitting in South Africa, way down. Let's see. In the morning, there's the shadows. The sun is coming from the back, 20 degrees from the back of the house. Okay? There you can see the sun coming from the back of the house. Okay? That was the mornings. Evening. The sun sets behind the house, 20 odd degrees behind the house. Look at the shadows behind the house. Okay? Look at that. That's the treetop. Look at the treetop. There's the sun. Look, you can see the same treetop sits behind the house, 20 odd degrees. So when we look at this makes sense. This thing shows that the sun is 12 o'clock above us, okay, and it shows in the morning coming from the south towards the north and back to the south. Okay, so when we look at this cannot be, okay, this is circulating all around the North Pole. Our shadows clearly shows in South Africa the sun is circulating the South Pole very, very clearly. Okay, so from an flat Earth perspective, I would love the Earth to be flat, but in reality it's not. Okay, you got to be true to yourself. This map, people spend a lot of money drawing this map, but before you can draw this map, you must first solve the South Pole problem. You must solve the South Pole light. So understanding this is extremely important, okay? And you've got to be true to yourself, okay? This house clearly shows 90 degree towards the 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, it's on the north side of the house, okay? In the morning, it is not, okay? And then in the evening, it's not. This explains the 23 degree. This video will stop in about 20 seconds. I would have loved the Earth to be on a flat plane, but the evidence from the south, and so far south, in the southern hemisphere, is very clear. The sun is circling the South Pole in the summer months, and the South Pole got 24-hour daylight. There's no other video that can explain this than the shadows within the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere clearly shows that the sun is circulating the South Pole. Sorry, but it's true.